Well, good morning. It's like, I don't know, 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, and I have some soldering to do on some wires. And I'm sick and tired of having to hold one wire while trying to hold the other one and then grab the soldering iron, and it's a real pain in the ass. So, spent a little time this morning and I found I guess it's a wire holder on online. I'll have a link. And so I printed this thing out. Took about an hour and 1 minute. And this happens to also be the first time I printed anything where it had moving parts within the print itself. Normally I print things and either glue them together or they're just one piece. But I did this in PETG, and it worked out fine. I mean, I was amazed that it didn't get all sticky and stuck or didn't lift or whatever, but that's pretty cool. And so what you do is you take these springs that you also print, hopefully they don't break. Like I said, I've never done this. And you put them in here like this. All right, that seems to work. And you put this one in here like this. I'll probably print a couple extra of those just to have them on hand. They fit nicely in there. And now what we have is this action here. Alright, I got some wire so I can show you how this works. So you put one side over here like this, it just holds it. This is going to be so much nicer. Just like that. Be able to put a little flux on there. I use the clear flux, and then solder that. I can't wait to actually try it out.